Today, I'm teaching you why Calendly might be the best scheduling tool for freelancers and solo professionals in 2025. Calendly offers a free plan that's ideal for freelancers, one event type, one calendar connection, Zen-like simplicity, and unlimited one-on-one meetings. Perfect if you just need a basic booking link and want to avoid back and forth emails. You can customize your availability, set durations, add buffer times, and allow invitees to pick a slot, all in a few clicks. It even auto-generates meeting links via Zoom or Google Meet, so you never have to copy and paste again. The downside, the free plan limits you to one active event type and one calendar. No group calls, no branding, no unlimited event types unless you upgrade. So if you upgrade, the standard plan would be $10 per month, which unlocks unlimited event types, multiple calendars, which is up to 6, reminders, and CRM integrations like Zoom, Stripe, HubSpot. The themes plan, which is $16 per month, adds round-robin scheduling and advanced admin controls, ideal for growing freelancers or small agencies. Users love how Calendly removes scheduling chaos, effortless scheduling with Google Meet integration, and saves so much time. But they wish the free version included reminders and more event types. So for solo users and freelancers who just need simple one-on-one scheduling, Calendly Free is fantastic. No fees, no fuss, and still powerful. But if you need multiple booking types or want branding and automation, stepping up to standard is worth it. A small upgrade for a big time saved. So is Calendly the best scheduler for freelancers in 2025? If you want speed, simplicity, and professional results, absolutely yes.